Hello and welcome to the video about Service Pack 2 for Exchange 2010 and how to install it. In addition to discussing Service Pack 2 itself, we will discuss service packs in general and why it is important to install them on your server. This video was created for you by Jonathan Rabzin and translated by Pavel Shostok. So let's move to our virtual machine where we already have two servers installed. And let's install Service Pack 2 on one of them. Here we have our two servers, and if you check their version field, you can see that their versions are different. So what's the difference? In the version number, the first number, 14, means Exchange Server 2010. Second number means Service Pack, which is second Service Pack on the first server and no Service Pack on the second. Build is not important for us, it's just like a subversion. From the very beginning we can say that Service Pack 2 offers a whole bunch of new and useful features for us. Actually, let's see an example of improvement that Service Pack 2 offers us compared to, well, no Service Pack. We go to Database Availability Groups, we check this group of servers Team 007, and we can see here very useful IP addresses tab. This tab first appeared in Service Pack 1, so if we will go on our second server, where we have no service packs at all, we won't see this menu. Let's go to the same place. Same place, no IP addresses tab. This is just a single example, a single feature. But in general, graphic interface improved a lot thanks to Service Packs. And now we want to install Service Pack 2 on our second server with no Service Packs on it. Here. But anyway, what is Service Pack? Why do we want to install it? What's in it? Let's visit Microsoft website. This is the page about Exchange Server versions. You can see that Exchange Server 2010 was originally released in November 2009. And this is the initial build number. This initial build is exactly what we have for Server 2. Wait a second. So you can see build number here. Yeah. It is the same as the build number issued on November 9. After the initial RTM release to manufacturing build, there was a bunch of roll-ups, improvements. A little bit later, Service Pack will be released, and this Service Pack will summarize all the previous roll-ups in it. It is convenient to have one Service Pack instead of whole bunch of updates. In addition to introducing new useful features, Service Pack fixes all the bugs, all the problems and mistakes found in the program after the initial release. You can see here that Service Pack 2 was released on December 2011. And already new updates, new roll-ups start to appear. We want to install Service Pack 2 with all the previous updates right on initial release of Exchange Server 2010. Before we continue to installation, I want to mention that Microsoft website is a great tool for you if you are serious about, well, managing Exchange Server. Here, for example, you can see the list of changes and improvements introduced in all the service packs, like Service Pack 1 and all the changes in it. In high availability section, we should be able to find the improvement in graphic interface that we have seen earlier. Here we can see management console enhancements. And here we can see the whole article about it. Let's go and find the section about management console enhancement. Here it is. There's a lot of descriptions in this article, and at first it might look intimidating, but later you will get used to it. And this information, it is useful. It says that now we can manage IP addresses for database availability groups, DAGs, using a graphic interface. And before it was possible only through shell commands. So we go and we Google Microsoft Exchange Service Pack 2. I suggest you to include Microsoft to get official links first in your search results. Of course, Exchange 2010. We follow this first link to the official Microsoft website. This one. On this page we can download our Service Pack 2. You can see that there is only 64-bit version of it. There is no other. And it is over 500 megabytes in size. But luckily I have already downloaded it. Here we can see system requirements. So now we will go on our server and try to install Service Pack 2. Expect some problems, but we will not panic, we will solve them all. So where did I download Service Pack file? Here, I guess. So we double click it to unzip it. 500 megabytes, as was expected. Let's choose the location to unzip. Now we got to wait. I will pause the video until the unzipping is finished. Now that it is done, I go to unzip destination folder and I start setup. Read about Service Pack 2, install. That's what we want to do. Again, we have server installed already and we want to install Service Pack on top of it. Right now, installation program checks if all the prerequisites are in place. I can tell you that some important Windows components are missing in our system and we will have to install them. But first, let's wait for warning messages. To speed up things, I have already downloaded all the missing Windows components, all the missing Windows patches, here they are. There, in a patch file's names, you can see KB followed by some number. KB stands for knowledge base. For some warnings, for some problems that can happen during the installation, Microsoft issues a repair file.